Hi, my name is Vanessa Singh, and I'm going to be talking about my assignment number 2 web server for the server-side language course in Forsell University. I have my node.js file where I have, as it was taught in the lecture video, I put in the requirements for the file system, the HTTP functionality, the path, and the URL. And then over here I am capturing that obtaining the URL, and I'm parsing it, and then after that, this object right here has some data, and from that data I'm obtaining the path name, and I'm parsing that as well to obtain the file name. And from this object here has some additional data, and then from there I am obtaining the name of the file and on the file extension and the directory as well. Once it does that, I'm then reading the file from the root where the file is located, and that file is the one that's going to be displaying in the browser. Now, one of the requirement was to use a Bootstrap template where there's all this data that you see right here. That's where the one of the templates that I shows on the provided link. The only thing that I changed from here was that I added a class name labeled active page, and I have that class name for each individual. So here is will be the home page, the index, and then the same goes for the about, contact, and the project file. And then below on the bottom, in the scripts, I have some JavaScript where I am obtaining that class, or that element where I put in the class name of active page, and I am changing the font color to assigning it to a variable. That variable is here in my node.js file where I'm passing into the HTML file a script and setting a variable of label a color, and setting the value for that variable the word yellow. So in each of those HTML file, I have the same. You can see here, I am selecting using the query selector to select that class, the element of the class name active page, and I am changing the color font of that element to yellow, which is this variable that I have set in my node.js file. Now, running up here in the terminal so I can show you. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna refresh here. Okay, so this is how it's showing up now. To be honest, I'm still very unfamiliar with bootstraps. So as far as for any CSS and all that, I believe I saw some SCSS file in here. Yeah, right here. So if for some reason none of that is taking effect in here, and even when I clicked the navigation, they are not changing the font color. I tried to do some troubleshooting in my site, but I wasn't able to figure out why is that not working, that part. But this is what I have for my for this assignment, the web server app. I am still able, I'm clicking in the link, I'm still able to navigate through the links. And I believe, okay, so yeah, this is the template. And as you can see here in the template, when I hover over the navigation, it highlights a little bit lighter. So it's kind of, right now it's kind of gray color, and then I hover and it's a bit brighter. And then when I click on it, it basically has that effect that it scrolls down towards the section. So I could be all the way in the top, and then I click on contact and it's just gonna scroll all the way where the section of contact is. And this is the original template, how I obtained it from the provided link. But what I basically did here, I grabbed from the HTML file from this template, and I separated the sections. So the about section, the contact section, and the project section, I divided it into different pages. I don't know if maybe doing that caused something that the Bootstrap is no longer working, but I'm not really sure, because I have all the files and I have the links right here, but it's still not working. And so when I have tried to apply this font color, is also not taking effect. So this is the template, and this is how it's looking for me after I separated each section to individual pages. You can see here in the top as well, this is showing index for home, the about project is showing the name up here, and contact. So I am able to navigate through the pages. As far as the styling, that part is not taking effect. So this is what I have so far for the web assignment number 2, web server. Thank you for watching.